Welcome, lovely viewers, to Robe's 2025 STEM Fair Project Edition. I go by the name Elon Awusi Bobo, and she is,
Nanama Olusigasi.
and we are pupils of River of Blessing Academy. Our project topic is using the principles of a chain reaction to create a Rube Goldberg machine. I still go by the name Elon Awusi Bobo, and she is,
Nanama Olusigasi.
and we are sixth graders. Introduction. Knowing the principles of a chain reaction will give you a better understanding on how a Rube Goldberg machine works. One may ask, what is a chain reaction? A chain reaction is a sequence of reactions where reactive product or byproduct causes additional reactions to take place. Now, what is a Goldberg machine? Since we now know what a chain reaction is, let's explore what a Rube Goldberg machine is. A Rube Goldberg machine is a deliberately contraption that performs simple tasks using a chain reaction of events. Key principles of a Goldberg machine: cause and effect. Each step in the machine triggers the next step, causing a chain reaction. Potential and kinetic energy. The machine uses potential energy and kinetic energy to power the chain reaction. Gravity. Many Goldberg machines use gravity to help power the chain reaction with objects failing or rolling to trigger the next step. Inertia. The machine uses inertia, the tendency of an object to resist change in its motion to keep the reaction going. Mechanisms used. Levers, used to amplify forces and trigger subsequent steps. Pulleys, used to change the direction of forces and transmit motions. Rolling objects, used to transfer energy and transfer subsequent steps. Failing objects, used to provide potential energy and trigger subsequent steps. Examples of Goldberg machines. Marble rounds, a classic example of a Goldberg machine where marbles roll through a complex course, triggering various events. Domino rounds, a Goldberg machine that uses dominoes to create a chain reaction. Rube Goldberg's cartoons, the original inspiration for Goldberg machines. Rube Goldberg's cartoons featured complex, humorous machines that accomplished simple tasks. The aim of this project is to 1. Design a Goldberg machine that uses a series of mechanical energy transfer to complete a simple task in a creative and complex way. 2. Demonstrating an understanding of basic physics and engineering principles.
Materials. The materials used in a Rube Goldberg machine can vary widely depending on the design and complexity of the machine. These machines are typically built to perform the simple tasks in an overly complex and creative way using a chain reaction. These materials. The materials used in a Rube Goldberg machine can vary widely depending on the design and complexity of the machine. These machines are typically built to perform a simple task in an overly complex and creative way in the chain reaction. These materials are divided into 4 types. The first part is the basic structural materials, which are cardboard, wood, plastic containers, and foam board. The second part is connectors and supports. 1. Glue and tape. 2. Strings and yarn. 3. Rubber bands or fishing lines. 4. Paper clips. 5. Screws, nails, or push pins. The third part is motion and trigger components. 1. Dominoes. 2. Marbles or small balls. 3. Toy cars or balls. 4. Levers and rungs. Rungs can be either books, rulers, or flatboard. 5. Pulley system can be homemade with strings. Finally, energy sources. 1. Balloons for popping and launching. 2. Weights and counterweights.
Thank you.
That's the practical section of our project titled The Rube Goldberg Machine. My partner here will take us through the materials in there.
Okay, on my far left, we have the glue gun, push pins, ball, scissors, yarn, a toy car, dominoes, a tape, balloons, a funnel, disposable cups, homes and a cardboard, and finally a box. So now we are going to cut the needed size of our cones to form our base stand. Now our cone is cut and is ready.
With much further thought and understanding, we have made our Rube Goldberg machine. So firstly, we put the ball inside the slide. It will roll down and pass through the cone. It hits the dominoes and pushes the trigger for the battery to fall inside. Then lifts up the foam for the car to move and pop the balloon.